So last time we are reminded मनमुख अंधे शुद्ध न काई, आत्मघाती है जगत कसाई, निंदा कर कर बव भार उठावे, बिन मजूरी भार पहुंचावणिया. And the message was that the mind is gone to sleep. It's completely blind to the fact, to the reality, to the actual truth. Why? Because it is following its own information. Manmukh. The one who believes one's own information to be the ultimate. Hence, he always follows what his mind tells him. That's manmukh. Man means the mind, mukh means the mouth. Whatever comes to his mind, that's what comes out of his mouth. Regardless of what the masters are telling him, what the mystics are telling him. The mystics are saying that nobody is hurting you. You are hurting yourself. It is not what happens to you that is hurting you. It is what your reaction to that happening is what is hurting you. Just a moment ago, we were chatting. It is not the action of someone else. It is your reaction. So if your reaction is coming out of anger, you are not hurting anybody. That anger is hurting you. That anger is impacting your soul directly. And because your soul is impacted, your body will respond to that. I'm sure you have observed people shaking in anger, getting sweaty in anger, getting loud in anger, yelling and screaming. What is happening? The body is responding to the anger energy inside you. And if you turn around and say, I am angry because he or she or so and so did this or did not do that, guess what? That person is not getting hurt by yourself. You are hurting yourself. And on top of that, you are refusing to look at your own self. You are shifting the blame on the other side and say, I am angry because of you or you or you. And so long as that attitude remains, which is what we are trained to do, find the fault somewhere else. That's how we are brought up. And we use that information. That's why it is called manmukh, following the one's own mind. When you follow your own mind, when you follow your own training, when you follow your own upbringing without paying attention to the deeper meaning of life, you become blind. Not by the eyes, but by the mind. The mind is gone to sleep now. It's completely blind. It doesn't see anything. So when in anger you are throwing the things at somebody, are you breaking the pots and pans by throwing them on the ground? Isn't the mind blind? Right? You paid for all of this. So when you pick up a pot and throw it on the ground and you say, I am acting out of anger, well, good enough, you are actually almost drilling a hole in your own pocket and let the money flow through it. But the mind is blind, it doesn't see that. It will see it when it comes down. Now it picks up a broom and start cleaning it up. And then now he has to replace that pot or that pan or that crockery. He has to go to the market and buy a new one. And by this time now the price has gone doubled up. Same plate doesn't cost the same amount when you bought it. Same flower pot is now more expensive. Oh God, what did I do? Was it me? You don't even recognize yourself. Did I do all of that? I'm not that bad. And of those of you who are old enough to remember Flip Wilson's comedy, you remember that comedian? He coined a phrase, I didn't do it, devil made me do it. Remember that? Because now he can't find anybody else to blame. He says, devil made me. I am still not responsible. The devil is. There is no devil. You become the devil at that moment. Because the mind is gone to sleep. Manmukh andhe, the blind. Andhe means blind. Sudhanakai, it doesn't see anything. It doesn't turn back and say, hold it. Why I am doing like this? Why I am reacting like this? I am only hurting myself. How many times you have been able to go to bed when you are angry? The sleep disappears. So who is suffering? Your anger is making you do that. मनमुख अंधे शुद्ध न काई, आत्मघाती है जगत कसाई. Atmagati. Atam means the self, ghat means the murder. You say you are suicidal. You are literally killing yourself. When you are numbing all of the logical faculty of your mind-body system and shutting it off, isn't it a virtual death? Isn't it a suicide? Should you not be completely alert and be able to stop yourself in running in that direction? Because if you are alert, you will immediately say, hold it. I better deal with this anger inside me. Who is this? Get away from me. I am not going to react like this. Now you are catching that anger energy before it manifests. But if you have gone to sleep, the anger will keep on running you. And you will keep on reacting accordingly. And when your anger energy has worked itself out of your system, mind wakes up as if he was just dreaming. And then somebody points out to you, see what you did? I couldn't have done it. You don't even believe yourself. You are in complete denial. Because you don't recognize yourself in that destruction, physical or emotional or intellectual, that your anger has caused. You don't recognize it. You say, that's not me. Why? Because you were dead for that time. Atmaghati. You had committed a suicide and you were dead for that moment. And in that moment, what you become? Jagat Kasai. Kasai literally means the butcher. The one who butchers the animal and sell the meat. The Punjabi word that is Kasai. You have become a Kasai. Because anything that comes in front of you, you're going to chop isn't it? When mom or dad is angry with one of the kids, the other kids come in, dad cool down, mom cool down, and mom and dad says, you better sit over there. Yes, none of your business. They are ready to chop the other guy head too. Why? Because the anger energy is going to manifest no matter what. Unless you yourself wake up and say, stop committing suicide. आत्मघाती है जगत कसाई, निंदा कर कर बहुपार उठावे. And ninda means criticism, to find faults. So when you are in that energy, what happens? You find faults with everything else other than you. That light, that torch is lighting up on everybody else's face rather than turning it towards self and say, let me light up. Which area is angry and why? That's why we are remanding. When you point the finger to somebody else, 3 fingers point toward you. The other has only 1 finger. See? Look at how the hand is. Remember, pointing 1 finger at the other, 3 are pointing toward you. It is asking you, don't look at this, look at these 3. They are trying to tell you something. Would you wake up and look at yourself? No, but you don't. You keep on focusing on the one. And what happens? Ninda kar kar. You keep on critiquing the other. So what's the result of that critique? Bahupar uthave. He keeps on adding to his karma. That's how we earn bad karma. That's exactly the way to earn bad karma. Whereas the objective in life is to burn the karma that you have already brought with you.